Hello guys for today's video. So you are here guys at San Juan City. So dumayo tayo dito guys sa may San Luis corner F Blooming Treat. Dito lang yan guys sa may JD Alub and Sizzling Hub. So yun na nga guys no. So ang in-order natin dito guys is smoked barbecue ribs tsaka dinakdakan, and then yung chicken fillet guys para kay baby yan guys, yung chicken fillet. So yun na nga guys no. So napaka solid dito guys. Ayan yung mga food natin, may mga pa-free sabaw din sila guys dito guys. So tara guys, let's eat. So tikman natin guys yung kanilang smoke barbecue ribs guys no. Yan no. Smoke barbecue ribs nila guys. Yan, try natin para malaman natin kung solid ba talaga siya o yan guys natatanggal guys yung laman sa buto guys. Napaka solid yan guys. Napaka yummy. Napaka juicy. Yan guys, susunod natin yung kanilang rice na napakasarap din ng kanilang rice guys. Napaka solid din yan guys. Tingnan mo guys ang laki niya no. Yan, tikman mo. Napaka solid niyan. Guys, tikman natin yung guys, yung kanilang chicken fillet. Yan, may only gravy din siya guys no. Yung chicken fillet only refill, only gravy. Yan guys napaka solid, napaka yummy, napaka juicy, napaka crunchy niyan guys. Yan yan guys, tikman natin yung kanilang pork dinakdakan yan guys. Yan guys napaka chunky ng kanyang pork. Tapos yan guys napaka solid din yan guys. Only yan guys, only rice yan guys. Yan guys napaka solid niyan. Yan guys yan. So kung gusto niyo pumunta dito guys, dito lang yan guys sa may San Luis corner F Blooming Treat, San Juan City. Napakalaki niyan guys baby back ribs, baby pork ribs. Yan guys humihiwalay na guys yung laman dito sa may laman sa may buto niya So yun na nga guys. If you like this video, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Ingat.